In this video, we are going to discuss an XOR related problem from Codeforces gym. You will find this problem link and also my solution code in the description box. So let's come to the problem. Two persons, Alice and Bob, are playing a game here. Alice has chosen two integers a and b, and now it's Bob's turn to choose some two integers c and d. The condition is c must be in the range from 1 to a and d must be in the range from 1 to b. The winning condition for this game is if a XOR b is greater or equal c XOR d, then Alice will be the winner. Otherwise, if c XOR d is greater than a XOR b, then Bob will be the winner. Alice has already chosen two integers a and b. Now we have to find if it is possible to find two integers c and d with the given conditions such that Bob wins the game. We know the property of bitwise XOR that if for some position both of the corresponding bits are 1, then the bitwise XOR will be 0. We will use this property to solve this problem. Let's consider the third case. Here are the binary representation of A and B. You can see in the second position from the right, both of the corresponding bits are 1. So in the XOR representation, the bit in that position is 0. Now think about the observation that if the corresponding bit of A had been 0, then the XOR bit for that would be 1. In this way, two things happened. Firstly, the value of A has been decreased, and secondly, the value of XOR has been increased. So if we consider this one as D and this one as C, then both of the given conditions are fulfilled. At the same time, the C XOR D is greater than A XOR B. So in this scenario, Bob wins the game. Now traversing from the right, if you don't get such position where both corresponding bits are 1 in A and B, then you can't make the XOR value larger, and as a result Bob will have no way to win this game. For example, you can consider the second test case. There is no position where both corresponding bits are 1. So we can't make the XOR value larger than the way we discussed earlier. Now let's come to the coding part. Here in the problem, given that b is greater or equal a and the value of a and b will be between the range 2 and 10 to the power 6. So there will be surely less than 32 bits in the binary representation of a and b. We will traverse the binary representation of the given integers from the right, and on each iteration we will check if the corresponding bits for some position of the both integers are 1 or not. This is basically checking if the bit I from right side of integer a is 1 or 0. If it is 1, then it returns true. Similarly, this one is checking for b. This is a very basic bit masking if you know. So this way we will stop when both bits are 1 for some position and print yes, which means that Bob wins the game, and return from the solve function. Otherwise, if no such case is found in the iterations, we will print no. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.